I must say I'm very disappointed in you boys, okay? You should be ashamed of yourselves. Now, I've already called in your mothers,
You
but...
called my mom?
That's right.
Oh, no, dude. Mr. Mackey, can I ask a question?
Okay, what?
What's the big fucking deal, bitch? Yeah.
Now I want to know where you heard these horrific obscenities, okay?
Nowhere. We heard them from Mr. Garrison a few times before. Yeah.
Boys, I seriously doubt that Mr. Garrison ever said, eat penguin shit, you ass spelunker.
Sweet. Uh-oh.
Thank you all for coming on such short notice.
This just isn't like you, Stanley. What did my son say, Mr. Mackey? Did he say the S word?
No, it was worse than that.
The F word?
Well, here's a short list of the things they've been saying, okay?
Oh, dear God.
What the heck is a rim job?
Oh, why, that's when... Young man, you will tell Mr. Mackey this instant where you heard all these horrible phrases.
We can't tell you. We all took a sacred oath and swore ourselves to secrecy. It was the Terrence and Phillip movie. Dude, what? Fuck you guys. I want to get out of here.
Terrence and Phillip? Those Canadians?
Excuse me, what the heck is Terrence and Phillip?
Terrence and Phillip are two very untalented actors from Canada. Nothing but foul language and toilet humor.
Well, I guess I'll have to send a warning letter out to parents before more children see Terrence and Phillip.
Everybody's fucking seen it.
Eric!
I'm sorry, I can't help myself. That movie has warped my fragile little mind.